Hey everyone, it's Lily, and today I'm going to be fixing up an old AG doll. And this is either Jess or number 64, and I'm pretty sure she's number 64 because her tag says, I don't know if you can see that, but it says 2008 and Jess was girl of the year 2006. So I don't think that they would be making Jess dolls in 2008. Pretty sure this is number 64, but I don't know. So anyways, I got her at a thrift store. She was about $15. She was a really good deal, and she's in pretty bad condition, but she's definitely not like unfixable. So basically, the main thing that I notice right now is her hair, because it's horrible. It's very, very ratty, and it's not that tangled because I just brushed it, but it's just very like dry, and it's got a lot of what you could call almost like split ends. Very not evenly cut hair, I guess you could say. And she does have hair cut up here as well, and so I'm definitely going to be doing something about that. And as far as her face goes, it's not that bad. I'm actually recording this like after I fixed her up a little bit, because I tried to paint over a stain that she had on her eye right there, and it didn't work. I mean, it sort of worked, but like it still looks weird because there's like paint on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then her eyelashes were very chipped, so I tried to cover that, and it already chipped again. So guess what I'm going to be doing about that? All of that combined is all on her head, so I'm just going to be sending her to the doll hospital to get her head replaced. Yes, her entire head. Just her head, and yeah, so there's that.
And her nails were painted, but I did cover that up with some, what do you call it? Well, I didn't cover it up. I took it off with rubbing alcohol. So that's good. And also her toes were painted, but again, I took that off mostly, except there's still like a couple sparkles because it was really sparkly nail polish. As far as her cloth body itself, it looks like brand new. It's really good condition. She's got strings. Okay, well, there is this little gap here. I already tried to fix that. Did not work, but you can't even see it from most angles, except for the back.
And also, if any of you guys noticed in my Christmas special, Arden actually did appear once. This is Arden, by the way. I'm going to be naming her Arden. She appeared like once in the very beginning of it. She only had like a couple lines. She wasn't a main character or anything, but she was in it. So if any of you guys were wondering, this is her. And that was just kind of, I wanted to use her because she is technically one of my dolls. So she just had really bad hair. So that's great. And yeah, so there's that too. Hey everyone, so now I'm going to be tightening her limbs because, as you can see, they're pretty shaky, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. And if you guys don't know how to do this, I'm not going to be doing like a full-on tutorial on how to do it because that would just make this video really long. But there are a bunch of tutorials on YouTube on how to do this, so you can just look up how to tighten your American Girl doll's limbs, and there will be a bunch of videos. So I would just recommend doing that if you don't know how to do this. But I will like briefly I will have it all on camera so you guys will see how I'm doing it, but I won't like say what I'm doing, if you know what I mean. The gist of it is you're going to need some hair ties that are like sturdy, not too stretchy hair ties. These are like brand new hair ties. You're only going to need one hair tie per limb. And I'm tightening all 4 of her limbs, so I'm going to have 4 of these. And then, just don't need those, I guess. But these 4 I'm going to be using, and then you're going to need a bag or a box or something that you're going to put her stuffing in. And you're also going to need something like a long utensil, such as this very long spoon, or you can also use like a pencil or pretty much anything that is like long enough to like poke down into her body and like push the stuffing down. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing that now. So, yoli. You guys, look how weird that looks. I know, like, I'm used to doing this and everything, but still, like, you can't deny how weird that looks. Like, you just can't deny this. Like, seriously, though, you can't deny it. Like, you just don't deny this stuff. You just don't. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to put her stuffing back in, and you're really going to want to try and push that down as hard as you can. Okay guys, so it's like forever later, but her limbs are tight now, not moving at all. Her head is actually quite loose because there was so much stuffing in her, I literally could almost not put her head back on. That's insane. So yeah, now I'm going to be sending her to the doll hospital. So I'm going to be packaging her up today. So peace, this is a peace sign. If you can't tell, it's a peace sign, okay? Yeah. Okay, so here she is. She's all in bubble wrap, and I'm going to package her up now. Hey guys, so it's just about a month later, and the package just arrived back today, so I'm super excited to open it, and just reminding you guys she got a new head. So yeah, let's open this baby. Okay, you guys, so here it is. There's obviously another box inside, and I had quite the struggle opening it, so that's great. So first of all, whatever this is. Oh, okay, so this is like a, okay, that's just like a receipt, I guess. So on the actual doll, okay, so here's the box. Nothing too fancy, but I can definitely use this for her bed. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Here she is. She's so cute. Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh, really? Okay, I'm sorry. Look how pretty. Oh, I love her. Okay, let's open her. Oh wow, sorry for that noise there. My hair just totally caught in the mic. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, so she's kind of strapped in. Not as heavy duty as when you first get the doll though, clearly. So, let's see, her neck in a zip tie thing. Yay, okay, they kept the neck string. I specifically asked them to keep the neck string, and they did. That was super nice of them. Oh my gosh, she has the old eyes too, so that's great because they're not like wonky. Because I've heard a lot of the like old eyes are like wonky, but hers are not, so that's great. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow, you guys, she looks so pretty. I'm trying to move this up without making my phone fall over. Hold on. Yuli. Wow, alright. So the big reveal here. Taking off her hairnet. Oh, her hair is so silky and just smooth and just, oh, I love her so much. And just her cheeks have lots of
this color to them, and she's so pretty. And she's a feathered eyebrows, no marks on her, no shine marks. Oh wait, there's a tiny shine mark on her nose. Oops. Her hair is very nice and smooth, soft, and it seems to be a little shorter than before, but I think she may have actually been dressed, but I said she was number 64 because I wasn't really sure. But her hair is really nice. Let's see. So she comes in this adorable doll hospital gown with a cute little bracelet, and you've got her adorable socks there. They're super cute. And yeah, so she's so cute, you guys. I love her so much. Okay, so, oh, wait, what is this? Oh, yay, they wrote her name on it. Okay, last time I sent back, if you guys have been subscribed to me for about a year or more, then you guys would know that I tried to customize Pepper, and it failed miserably, and I had to send her to the doll hospital to get her fixed. But their certificate they actually didn't sign, which kind of sucks. But this one they actually signed, and it's super cute, so that's really cute. It says, Certificate of Good Health. I hereby certify that Arden is now ready to return home and resume all regular activities slowly. I prescribe plenty of rest for 1 week, plus an extra strength dose of TLC, tender loving care, to be administered at least twice daily. That's really cute. And Dr. Nikki, you're probably not watching this, but if for some incredible, weird, unlikely reason you are, thank you so much, Dr. Nikki. And, so,
yeah, here she is. I love her. Okay. Cue the photo shoot montage.